coming up to a right turn here. What are we going to do? We're going to put our indicator on, we're going to slow the bike down, and we're going to move to the outside of the lane. We're on the rear brake, head through the turn, pushing that bike in the direction we want to go, and we're accelerating through. Okay? It's a very simple movement. You're just approaching with caution, moving to the position you want, and accelerating out of what's called the apex of the turn, which is the point in the turn in which you're straightening back out, and you're hitting the transition point. And when you get to that transition point, that's when you start to add acceleration. Then remember, like a jet ski, like a boat, a motorcycle, it operates on a very simple fundamental principle, which is that you need speed to move. If you think about motorcycles, bicycles, you need to be carrying a bit of speed to be able to maintain the movement. In a car, you can get away with less acceleration just from the way that the car is positioned and the wheels rotate, because you're stabilized. But on a motorcycle, you need to add that acceleration to really carry you through that turn and not lose your balance. And sometimes I forget to turn my indicator off. It's fine.